Hey guys, today I'm really excited to receive this cordless inflatable pump that you can use with your car, your motorcycle, even some bolts and bicycles. As you can see, it comes in this nice box. Okay, so let's take everything out and let's see what comes inside. First thing we have right here is the proper bank unit. Okay, comes with this protected from the screen. As you can see, it's quite small. You get in this side all the ports that you're going to use, a Type C, USB-A, a port for the charging, okay, and a light. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. Okay, and now that it's on, with this button we can change the units. You can see, if we long press it, the light comes on, which I think that it's really nice. I'm going to turn it off. And we can select different modes depending on what you're going to use: a motorcycle, a bike, a ball, the car, and you can adjust the levels with this. Okay, which I think that it's really nice. I'm going to set it like that. Okay, and to turn it on, you just have to press the button. Okay, which I think that is nice. Let's see also what comes inside. We get the instruction manuals with all the important information about how to use it. Okay. With the light on button, we can also change the units that we're gonna measure the air of our tires, which I think that it's nice. I'm gonna leave it on PSI. Let's see what else comes inside. We get a charger for our car. Okay, just have to plug it in, place it up on the secret port, and that's it. We get a really nice carrying bag, that tube that we're gonna use for our tire. This is a carrying bag, and some other attachments so that we can pump up different things like balls and everything, okay, in case that you need them, and a USB-A Type C kit. Okay, and something that I think that it's great is that you can also use it as a power bank if you need it on kind of like on emergencies. So let's go ahead and test it out. Right now my chair is a little bit down, so I'm gonna test it out. Come on. Okay, so right now I'm beside my chair. You can just secure this tightly. That's it. I'm gonna take it out. Active. We hear it. Gonna turn on the device. Make sure that it's on the proper level, and as you can see, right now I just have 16.5 psi, and I should have 37. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn it on. And okay.
Something that I like about this air pump is that it has a fast inflation and auto shut off when you have reached the proper preset pressure that you set it up. It has a wide range of applications, as I've said, ranging from my car up to a wall, and you can even use it as it is connected to the power source.
Okay guys, and just like that, it's ready. Okay, and what I think it's nice is that it fills up your tire really quickly. It doesn't take that much long, and I think that it's nice because that way you can have it with you in kind of an emergency or anything. You have it at hand and it's ready. And I think that it's nice because, as I've said, you can not just use it just with your car charge. You can use it with any kind of thing that you can or need to pump up, which I think is great. And overall, because it's nice size, it's carrying bag, and all the things that comes included, like the attachments and everything, I think that it's really nice, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.